How to add Instagram feed in Wix. So in order to add an Instagram feed to your Wix, what you can do is you first need to head over to your dashboard and click onto this edit site right here in order to open the Wix website editor. Now while that's loading, let's head over right here to this tab, which is the Common Ninja. Head over to their website, and then from it there, click onto this create widget. So you will only be able to see this if you already have an account from them. Now into this part, you can just click onto the search icon and search in here for Instagram feed. You can see this right here, so click on this. And then this should be able to open it into an editor on this case, and you can just edit it however you like. So just wait for this and you can now see it right here. So into this feed, you can enter text and you can also choose the post per scroll, maximum post, and automatic updates. So in here, you can choose the source for the feed sources. So you can just input your own email or your own Instagram username right here and enter the tab name for that as well. You can change the look and feel for that in order to get over to your color palette. And on here, you can just choose which one you want. You can also choose the layout as well. And you can choose how it will look like onto your screen. Now into this part, I'll just choose this particular layout and head over, click onto this publish, click onto this save widget, copy this code, and let's head back right here to our Wix Studio editor. So I have in here my actual website editor. So in order to add that particular Instagram feed, we just need to head over and click onto this plus icon right here. And into this part, you should be able to see the list of elements that you can utilize. In my case, I'll just scroll down to the quick add and I should be able to find here this iframe. Just drag and drop it right here wherever you want to put it into your actual page. And then once you have dropped it all together into this, you should be able to add in here the code that you wish to use. In here, head over and click onto this enter code. Then once you have done that, just enter in here the code that we have copied from Common Ninja and click on update right here and it should be able to show us the Instagram feed that we have made from Common Ninja themselves. So you can just wait for this to load and resize it as usual. So that's how you add Instagram feed in Wix. Hope we helped.